Hi, I'm Greer Updegraft, a local realtor with Pearson Smith Realty. Welcome to 9114 Furey Road in Lorton, a 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath home with a 2-car garage, conveniently located just minutes from I-95 and the VRE. You are going to love this home. Let's go check it out. Who doesn't love an open floor plan with tons of natural light? The kitchen has updates galore, including a beautiful granite countertop, under cabinet lighting, and a custom backsplash. The upstairs has 3 spacious bedrooms, including an owner's suite with walk-in closet and a soaking tub. The lower level has a gas fireplace and would be the perfect spot for watching Netflix or working from home. Enjoy summer nights on your backyard patio or on the upper level deck. For a private tour of this home, call me at the number on the screen.